If your haircut isn't turning heads for the right reasons, you might be making one of these mistakes. And trust me, I see it every week at the shop. I'm Henry from the Monarchs Lounge here in Ocala, and I'm about to break down the 5 biggest hair mistakes that men make and exactly how to fix it so your style stays sharp and clean all the time. Mistake number 1, letting your neckline grow wild. First mistake, your neckline is telling on you, and not in a good way. Most guys don't realize that even the freshest fades could look sloppy if your neckline isn't cleaned up. That messy growth down the back, you know, the monkey back or the monkey neck, yeah, it kills the whole look. The fix is simple. Come in every 2 to 3 weeks. It keeps your haircut looking intentional, not accidental. Mistake number 2, using the wrong product. Second mistake, your product is working against you, not for you. Too much gel makes your hair crunchy and dated. No product at all? Your style falls flat halfway through the day. The fix. Choose a product that matches your hair type. Matte clay for texture, pomade for shine, cream for a more natural look. And always start with less, then add more if needed. Mistake number 3, waiting too long between cuts. Number 3, if you're waiting until your hair is unrecognizable, you've already waited too long. Most men push haircuts too far back, thinking they're saving money. But by week 5 or 6, your hair starts losing its shape and you're stuck styling around overgrowth. The fix? Schedule your next cut before you leave the chair. Mistake number 4, ignoring face shape. Mistake number 4, copying haircuts that don't fit your face. That cut your favorite celebrity rocks might not work for you. Your face shape decides what looks best. Square faces pop more with tight fades. Round faces benefit from more height. Long faces look better with more balance on the sides. The fix? Work with your barber. Pick a style that complements you, not just the trend. Mistake number 5, skipping professional grooming. Final mistake, thinking a quick bathroom mirror trim is the same as a professional cut. Home touch-ups might seem harmless, but uneven lines and patchy fades, they're hard to fix. Plus, you're missing the clean tools, trained eye, and precision that keeps the style premium. The fix? Invest in a real grooming experience. Your hair is the crown you wear every day. So which of these mistakes have you been making? Drop it in the comments and let's get you looking the best you've ever looked. If you're in the Ocala area and want a clean, premium haircut, book your appointments at themonarchslounge.com. And remember, details make the man.